Oh, man, you came in today, guns blazing on this topic. You came in today. I was
Yeah.
barely in my chair, man. I almost fell out because
That's the first thing I said when I came in.
yeah, you were frantic and the heart rate was up and you just barged and you went straight and you
I threw my McDonald's
yeah,
bag down.
you slammed it down and Otis was frantic. I was like, geez.
It's a hurricane.
Yeah, so WeChat, TikTok, U.S. shutdown order Sunday, 2 days. A lot of reports on this. Of course, we knew it was sort of happening. Then there was, wait, there might be a Microsoft deal. Wait, there's an Oracle deal. And is it saved? Isn't it saved? Where are we at? What is happening? A lot of questions still. Trump didn't sign off on it. Microsoft's out. Oracle's in. It was neither here nor there.
Yeah.
But then this date kept creeping up. This from the original thing, the date kept creeping up. And then it was, oh yeah, that thing about the 20th. What is happening? And today, it's like, yeah, we're sticking to that date. Sort of. And that's where things, because a lot of headlines that came out today, the TikTok thing, TikTok's over, TikTok banned, official ban, TikTok, you saw this kind of stuff and people wondered, am I still going to be able to use my app?
Yeah.
So found this pretty good write-up over here on TechCrunch, which gives a little more context to what's exactly going on. It sounds like for WeChat, yeah, it's really done in the U.S. It sounds like that's a real one. Done.
Yeah.
Well done.
Yeah. Like
Which
a
I don't.
steak.
Well, I don't think anyone eats a steak well done. Do they?
Some people do.
Oh, do they?
Yeah.
Never met them.
Well, they're out there.
They're out there. Okay.
Not me, though.
So, but people are. I'll get to the WeChat in a second. When it comes to TikTok, it's complicated because of the potential Oracle deal. There's apparently been some sort of extension, and it's really weird timing the extension. So, what is going to happen on the 20th is that the app, it feels like a game. Yeah. The app is no longer going to be downloadable from the App Store. You can't.
And no updates.
It will no longer be published as a listing on those app stores, Google Play, iOS App Store. Those who have the app will be able to continue to use it, but of course the app can't continue to grow over that period of time.
Yes.
Which is important. It kind of does affect their business to a certain extent that if no one can download it or update it. But they will have an extension up until November 12th to potentially figure out this Oracle deal. So the app is effectively off the app stores, but it's not dead yet in the way that some people are reading the headlines. You will still be able to use it. It keeps the app up until after the November 3rd U.S. election, which is kind of a little bit, gets people thinking a little bit. Is that what about that timing on the extension? The extension goes until November 12th to figure out the Oracle piece, and the election in the U.S. is November 3rd. So did Trump catch wind that the TikTok people weren't happy? What was bubbling up there? Were people saying, hey, if Trump bans TikTok, I'm not going to vote for it? Like, what? It's kind of curious timing is all I'm saying. You wait until after the election. You say, no, there's still a chance. Don't worry.
Yeah.
You vote for me. Maybe we can sort it out. Maybe we get an Oracle deal done.
Yeah. I mean, they could have extended it to October, but November is very convenient.
It's right after the election.
Yeah.
So I don't know. Maybe it's not connected at all. Maybe we're reading into it too much. I don't know, Will.
No.
That's the beauty of this.
It is.
Hey, man, you can't say that for certain. So today's actions prove. This is the quote, by the way, from the party, the group that is required to govern over this stuff. I don't know. What are they called? The Department of... I don't know. It's in here somewhere. But anyway, here's their quote. Today's actions prove once again that President Trump will do everything in his power to guarantee our national security and protect Americans from the threats of the Chinese Communist Party. At the president's direction, we have taken significant action to combat China's malicious collection of American citizens' personal data while promoting our national values. democratic rules-based norms, and aggressive enforcement of U.S. laws and regulations. So first part of the action has to do with halting all new app distribution for both WeChat, owned by Tencent, and TikTok, owned by ByteDance. No new downloads of either app and no new updates. The WeChat one seems for real because it also mentions any provision of services through the WeChat mobile application for the purpose of transferring funds or processing payments within the US. So, WeChat is a really popular payment application in China. You can send funds to people, you can send funds to businesses. And so how do you enforce this one? Because this one is for real. This isn't, hey, you can't download WeChat on a new device. Mm-hmm. This is you can't use it. So how do you enforce that other than maybe having the telcos enforce it? The actual connections from the cellular networks and the internet connections to potentially block transmission of information from that app that's already pre-installed on devices as it is right now. Mm-hmm. That's a hard block by the sounds of it. That's a real block by the sounds of it.